Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to show the histogram in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app. And here in the Lightroom app, we have to select a picture from the gallery that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. After opening up the picture and after it loads, we have to tap on the three little dots in the top right corner. Here we have to find the view options. We tap on view options, and here we can select two things: either file info, which gives us details about the picture, or histogram. Now the histogram is a really specific tool that that professional editors use, but it can give a lot of information for beginners too. If the histogram is really high in the left side, then there are a lot of dark spaces in our picture. But if it is pushed to the right and really high in the right side, then there are a lot of light colors in our image. This can guide the editing process to create really good pictures. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.